who is Raj Kundra. And if you don't know, then from these 2 days you may get to know that on 19 July of night he caught in the case of making porn films, arrested by Mumbai police on the crime branch. Now porn films, he was releasing porn films on the different apps or different OTT platforms without the permission. And now the thing which is making me more angry is about Jaya Bachchan. Where is she? Why she is quiet on this topic? Especially I would like to target Jaya Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan's wife. You all know her. When Kangana Ranaut exposes the Bollywood drug racket, then she came in the front of media, then she came in the front of public and said that the people who eat in the plate, they would also hold in the plates. So from what category do you belong, Miss Jaya Bachchan? Now you are also from the same plate where Kangana belongs, yeah? So please do speak on this topic, and especially the actor and actresses who speaks on women's empowerment, they should more speak. Like Shilpa Shetty, Akshay Kumar, in each and every video of Akshay Kumar, you had seen he was always talking about the women's empowerment, everywhere women's empowerment. So why he's quiet now? So why is quiet? When a person making having a bad content and releasing it on different OTT platforms, so he should speak now. Why is quiet? Well, the question today is just that why the whole Bollywood is quiet. Did they don't know Raj Kundra? Did they don't know Shilpa Shetty? Who are they? Now the thing which is making me more angry today, yeah, is about Arnab Goswami. Now even in this case Arnab comes because the whole Bollywood has a what kind of irritation, I don't know with Arnab, but let's begin. In 2019, 23rd October, Arnab was debating on the topic Republic fights Dawood. You all know who is Dawood Ibrahim, is a king of underworld, yes. His second name was, he was a king of underworld, yes, which he is now in jail now. So the fact is that I would like to, in 2019 when Raj Kundra was linked with Dawood Ibrahim, was linked with Dawood Ibrahim and with a member with the team of the Dawood Ibrahim, he was linked, this underworld connection. So after that, and at the time when Arnab Goswami debate on Republic fights Dawood, so Raj comes in support of Dawood instead of standing with India. He write a very bad tweet against Republic and Arnab. Now the question raises on Bollywood and especially on Jaya Bachchan. I have already read this, but this was a tweet of Mr. Raj Kundra, which I do have. This was the tweet number 1 and this was the tweet number 2 on 23rd of October 2019 against Arnab and against Republic. Now firstly I will read. It will make you more angry than me. Dear Red Republic, this loud mouth of Arnab fellow, you the hell fellow Raj Kundra, try dialing the right number. Let's speak. Happy to add your TRP before you read my defamation with a notice to NDF and how your channel is badly conducted and the third claim and the third class journalism rules applied. Now you will teach Arnab. Now you Raj Kundra will teach Arnab and the team Republic that what kind of journalism are they doing. We had shown, yeah, the public, the people of India, the people across the world has showed Republic and Arnab that what they show. We watch Republic TV, Republic Bharat, and he tweets against. And why he only speaks on Dawood Ibrahim? Yes, they think that Arnab only shouts. So Arnab was shouting from last, around 25 years. So why you didn't speak in this 25 years? When Arnab chooses the topic of Dawood Ibrahim, then why you tweeted? Yeah? Then only why you tweeted? Why didn't you tweet it on Sushant Singh Rajput case? Why didn't you tweet it on the 370 cases when 370 removed from Kashmir? Yes, even he shouts. Why didn't you tweet it on Pulwama? Taking his name. Why? You only tweeted when Arnab debates about Dawood Ibrahim because you love Dawood Ibrahim. Yeah, you love Dawood Ibrahim. You love to work with him. Now, in the second tweet, he has said, will make you more and more angry. Sudharja Arnab, Sudharja Arnab. Yeah, Sudharja Arnab, Sudharja, hashtag Republic sells their soul for TRP. Republic अपनी आत्मा बेच देगी. Now people like you, Mr. Raj Kundra, will sell their own kid. You will sell your own kid just to have money. You make porn films, you are releasing app, you are alligating the actresses who don't like you. Yeah, you are working with Dawood Ibrahim. You has a connection, came out in 2019. So why you are doing? It's just because of money. So if Arnab will sell his soul, so you can also sell your wife as well as your children. Yeah, I'm using this word. Now let me even see that what will somebody do of Palak's good life. Now let me begin with more answers. Fraud channel with fake news and TRP. How is selling real estate to Baba Devan link we uses as anyway. Again I reiterate, loans taken from the company after we sold and exited. Happy to speak live on your channel. He will be happy. Yes. So what I would like to say, that what people do, they will get. What Sachin Vazde did with Arnab Goswami, he gets. He's getting till now, yeah? He's enjoying his life in Taloja. And now, it's time for Raj Kundra. I know I have shouted in this video, and let me even see that who will do anything. If you are against me, if you are against all these things, if you support Raj Kundra, then leave my video and leave a even comment too. I would like to fight to you guys. If you too love Raj Kundra, yeah? So we'll be going to make more videos on this topic if any update will come, or if any word against Republic and Arnab by any Bollywood actor, actresses and fellow stupid guys, then I will not leave anybody. Then I will shout, then I will abuse, no matters if a case even filed against Palak Singh. Thank you for watching. Now it's time for you, Mr. Raj Kundra. Happy jail life.